Right, so they will start whenever they'll be joining. Now, very first thing, Aarti, Anita, yes. So what doubts, what questions do you have? Yesterday we had some topics of multiplication and tables. So any questions you have?
So based on the homeworks given, I didn't find anything because I just referred back and wherever I found the doubt, I just started solving that actually.
Great. Apart from that, anything with reference to that, any questions that arise? Because there was a question from your side, how to multiply, right? And I gave that answer also. But when
Yes.
it was regarding single digit multiplication, or you can say it is kind of application of tables, right? But if you
Yes.
observe, we are basically using, yes, now everybody is joining. So it was basically the usage of our tables, correct? Yes, Hari Shankar, were you able to do the homework? Ashita, Realme, yes, Hari Shankar, did you find any difficulty in doing the homework? Am I audible, Hari Shankar? Ashita?
Yes, sir.
You were able to do the homework, or did you find any difficulty?
सर एक्चुअली मैंने कल का क्लास अटेंड ही नहीं किया था, मैंने वो आज देखा था वीडियो और अभी वो कंप्लीट भी नहीं हुआ है और मैंने अभी सेकंड क्लास अटेंड किया।
अच्छा, कल नहीं थे आप? ओके. So any question you can ask right now, because for first 10 minutes let everybody join also, and then if you have any query, if you started with the class, any query you have, will just mug up again. Hari Shankar. Realme C15. Any doubts, any questions regarding the homework? This having such names, it's very difficult to pronounce. Now, one more Realme 5i is there. Okay. Okay, I'll just mug up what we did, or I'll just give you a, but very first thing, welcome back and a heartful gratitude to all of you for joining the second day. Again, I would say the same thing. Pat yourself, applaud yourself, and be ready. Let's move towards the next step of learning. This is what you should do. Every time you start a new journey, always, yes, Hari Shankar, no, sir. Okay, you are not able to. Every time you're starting with a new journey, you're doing something fresh. So thank God. And the best way is to congratulate, pat yourself. The more you'll push yourself, motivate yourself. See, nobody would be coming to motivate you every day. So it is your duty to motivate yourself every time. Right? People will always push you down. You have to rise up. So how will you do that? You have to push yourself up, and that is by motivating. Be optimistic, be positive, and be motivated every time. That is being expected from all of us, right? Yes. Very first now, opportunities. Why we are doing this? What is the need of our? Yesterday we discussed on the point why Vedic mathematics is required for the students or for the teachers from the angle of academics. Yes, it helps to increase our speed 10 to 15 times faster, and we proved it. Second, it reduces the burden of table. Only tables up till 8 or 9 are sufficient. Rest all we can make it within seconds. And that confidence should be there in every student. Third, it removes silly mistakes. What are the silly mistakes? The multiple carryovers. So we don't get multiple carryovers. They get reduced. When we are balancing lines, they get reduced. And one more thing I added to that, we don't have any borrow. There is nothing like borrow in subtraction. Now, students face that most difficult. If you understand all the money transaction in the world, all the money transactions in the world, they are based on operation of subtraction. And in Vedic mathematics, it is the most simplest one. All from 9, last from 10. So after this, I'll guide you how that is to be done, and that should be taught to each and every person. Correct. And fourth, we said it reduces scratch work. Now, why scratch work was reduced? You already saw it every time you were trying to calculate mentally. So when you are, yes, Sonali.
Sorry, sir.
No issue. Sonali, any doubts in the homework? Senthil, any doubts in the homework?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
You were able to do, Senthil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I saw you have not saved the number, so you could not receive certain things at that time.
Your number, sir?
Huh? You received the video last night only? Okay, we'll discuss on that later. So there are certain things which are not possible in mathematics or which are really difficult in mathematics, and here it becomes as simple as ABC. But now the question arises, yes, academically it is very good. It is good for students. Talking in the financial part, talking in the business sense, why is it important? Or what are the opportunities related to it? Like Santhal is running an institute of coaching. So is it financially benefit for him or not? Others, teachers, yes. So as a freelancer, see what are the opportunities now? The first very important thing is government has made it compulsory. So that is already a boon to you. If we talk 3 years, 4 years back, or 20 years back, when it was started, if you talk to those teachers, Vedic mathematics teachers, they struggled a lot. They had to explain what is Vedic mathematics to everyone, and they had to prove themselves. But now, thank God, after announcement of this implementation, yes, I would say announcement because it has not been implemented properly in most of these states. Only Rajasthan, that to RBSC, that to RBSC means Rajasthan board, not in CBSC board right now. Haryana first phase has already started last year. That first phase means training of the teachers, but still yet to be implemented in the schools. Other schools like chains like Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandirs, 88 schools are there in India. They have started training their teachers. They are supposed to implement right from 2023. So we already have a stage ready. Everything is ready now. You just have to cut the cake. Or you have to see in this sense, that everything is ready. We just have to be ready for that opportunity. So first thing is, you can start with your Vedic mathematics classes right from your home. No assets required. No big rooms required. Right from your drawing room, right from your single room, you can make batches and you can start it teaching. Why? Because mathematics, already students are going for tuition work. So for Vedic mathematics, they are interested. Just try and talk to one mother. Any mother you talk to today, or if you are mothers, just remember that how you used to struggle for your child when they were not getting mathematics. right? So very simplest way or the very big opportunity is you can start this right from your home without any big investment, right? Because nothing is required, only some books are required and that you can get from the market. Second, if you are financially solid, go for a training institute. Now, why I'm saying training institute? Because there you can cater different kinds of people, different categories. One is students. Again, students into different classes, third, fourth, fifth, a separate batch. Sixth, seventh, eighth could be separate, ninth, 10th separate. And then students who are appearing for competitive examinations because they need not to understand all the sutras, all the formulas. They just need some tips. Third, teacher trainings. Like I give teacher training. Similarly, you can also train the teachers. Yes, it would. You need a time gap of 3 to 6 months to be ready for that. But that will also come when you start with the classes with the students, so that all your doubts are cleared first. Then, in big cities nowadays, it was in Corona also, parents are not interested to send their kids outside. So taking home tuition is a very good opportunities these days for all those who are not interested in setting a training center or who are not interested in starting classes from their home. Might be due to any reasons. Let's not discuss on that. So all these three opportunities are there for freelancers or individuals, where you can go, you can ask the students to come to a home, or you can go there, or you can set up a training institution. Again, setting up training institution does not, it is also not a big project. Why? Because big assets are not required. Now, so many institutions, so many schools, so many colleges have introduced this subject. So job openings are also being there. If you see every day on Facebook and Google, every big institution is coming up with this job opportunity. They need Vedic mathematics trainers, teachers for their own students. So you can apply
सर आपका
on the.
वॉइस नहीं आ रहा करेक्टली.
मेरा आवाज आ रहा है आशिता सेंथिल?
हेलो.
Am I?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes,
Sonali,
yes, you're
please check
audible.
your audio.
No problem, sir. We can hear you.
Sonali, please check once. Sonali, am I
Okay,
audible now? Okay.
यस सर, बीच में ही आवाज थोड़ा कट हो रहा था सर.
अब वो एक बार ना आप अपना चेक कर लो सिग्नल, क्योंकि यहाँ सिग्नल पूरे हैं. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. Now, so whatever is your query, you can ask. Now, another is, if you're not again thinking, job is not my cup of tea, and you already run an institute, same thing for you. So you can add Vedic mathematics as an additional component in your existing profession. So
Sure,
what
sir.
will happen? All you have is, you have a setup ready, you have students ready. Only one teacher, one trainer is required. And today, you don't have to guide so much. Our Honorable Prime Minister has already advertised so much. You should learn Vedic maths, you should learn Vedic maths. So already advertisement has been done by even Prime Minister. We just have to cut the cake. Correct? Any questions you have? Yes, any questions?
So I just wanted to know the books published by you, or the workout sheets, is that available in the market, or how do we get it?
See, there are so many books. If you talk about my books, I have written it in a different manner. Different manner means it is for the teachers also, it is for the students also. If anybody who does not have even knowledge of Vedic mathematics, a definition or a brief is given in advance first, then you have solved examples, and then you have assignments. Now I'll give you the actual picture. I'm also a founder director of a preschool chain, Gurusthanam. So when we were in Bangalore, we saw that there are no good books on Vedic mathematics. So what was required was, like, when we are handling the students, if we don't have solved examples, how will they be able to do? Now in a class, you can only help them to solve 10 examples. What more? So that should be there in the book. Then assignments. Now yesterday, what notes, if you downloaded, they are also the extracts of the books. Correct. And last year, these books were awarded as the best books in education category. Correct. So that books, but yes, they are not available at every bookstore. It is the soft copies are available in Google and Amazon, but for hard copies, you need to send us only, right? My number or my company's number, that only. They'll be sending you through post, Indian Post, right? Because courier is again costly affair. So with the Indian Post, it is very cheap. So generally we do send by this only. Plus, when you become a trainer, now at that time, you also need books. And immediately publishing book is not that easy task. It takes years. So we customize also. Means the book will remain the same. On the cover page, it would be your sticker. So that you can give it to the students. That we'll discuss later on. But yes, books are available. And these are kind of, you can say, workbooks. Everything in that only. Any other question? Yes, Ashita?
What about price details, sir?
Huh?
Price details.
Price details, I have already shared you, Senthil. You don't check that is 1320, 6 books. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 is the cost of books, and 84 or 86 is the courier charges. So it comes out to be 1320 for 6 books. Apart from there are books on class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. They are different, right? So this is what I am talking right now is teacher training module, right? So that can be implemented for class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th also.
Where is the model, sir? Model copies
means,
where?
huh?
Sample copies.
Sample, no, nothing is available free, Senthil. There is nothing available free in world. If you take oxygen from nature, you give carbon dioxide in return. Can you take oxygen without carbon dioxide? Just try. So
no.
Everything is paid. You are running an institute, so you should not ask for samples. Otherwise, what will happen? Everybody would be coming for sample lectures and you will finish up very soon. Let's not discuss on the freebies.
Sir, I have one question. Hello.
I am listening to you, Avinash. Please.
हाँ. हेलो सर. अब जब हम टीचिंग स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं तो क्लास वाइज हम ग्रुप्स कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं या फिर वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स के लेवल वाइज हमें ग्रुप्स कंडक्ट करने होंगे?
अभी हम आगे स्लाइड में वो सिखाऊंगा, बताऊंगा कि क्या क्या क्लासेस होती हैं, कैसे लेनी है, वो अभी अगली स्लाइड में आएगा. करेक्ट? और
ओके.
क्या करते हैं अभी अविनाश?
अभी मैं कॉम्पिटिटिव एकेडमी है मेरी महाराष्ट्र में.
महाराष्ट्र कहाँ?
महाराष्ट्र में
पुणे में बहुत टीचर्स हैं ऑलरेडी. पुणे में तो बहुत लोगों ने किया है. ओके, कोई बात नहीं, हम बात करते हैं अभी. ये विल डिस्कस ऑन दिस. वी हैव इन द कमिंग स्लाइड. सो वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग, यस, होमवर्क किसका नहीं हुआ? Who was not able to do the homework? Avinash, I have not received your homework, I suppose.
सर इसके बाद में मुझे बहुत सारा लेक्चर थे सर, so it's not possible sir.
It's okay, but कुछ डाउट है कि नहीं? होमवर्क नहीं होना है सेपरेट थिंग.
नहीं सर, नहीं हो सकते थे, कुछ डाउट नहीं था. जो थ्योरी आपने सिखाई थी वो एकदम अच्छी बढ़िया थी. It's brilliant.
Okay.
So it's my mistake that I can't give on the time.
Now that you cannot, I told you yesterday, एक बहुत बड़ी बात बताई थी मैंने. With every positive thought, you have a doubt. Now second thing, एक चीज मैं बताऊं आज आपको. Everybody has 22 hours.
Yes, sir.
It depends on our priorities. और कभी भी कुछ नया मिल रहा हो ना, तो याद करना जो हम कर रहे हैं, we don't have to leave that, but we have to accommodate the new thing. Because what will happen in the future, you don't know. Maybe tomorrow you are going to depend on that new thing only. So always try to accommodate new things. Yes, I'm not saying leave the other one. Never. But try to accommodate. Okay. Yes, any other? Hari Shankar, homework नहीं हुआ? सोनाली?
हाँ सर, नहीं हुआ है.
क्यों? क्या हो गया? आता नहीं था या
नहीं सर, थोड़ा बिजी शेड्यूल था सर, इसलिए नहीं.
चलिए कोई बात नहीं. आज ट्राई कर लीजिए, क्योंकि टाइमली करेंगे तो याद रहेगा, नहीं तो वैदिक मैथ्स ऐसा है कि शायद करोड़ों ने किया तो उसमें से 100 कर पाए, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत, जब कोई चीज इजी भी हो जाती है तो इग्नोर कर जाते हैं. बट आने वाला टाइम इसी का है. मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूं. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड इन नेपाल, it was the day after Holi, so it's not more than 6-7 months. Today I'm offering joint certification with Kathmandu University to every Nepali. So see how much business I got. अगर हम यही सोच, समझ रहे हैं, हमारी एक जाने की ही देर थी. They were ready, they were open handed, they were accepting कि yes. So इंडिया से ज्यादा मेरे सेशंस शायद लाइव सेशन, जो फिजिकल लाइव कहते हैं, वो नेपाल में होते हैं, चाहे वो यूनिवर्सिटीज हो, कॉलेजेस हो, इंस्टीट्यूशंस बड़े बड़े हों. और सबसे बड़ी बात, कंपटीशन ही नहीं. So people, because everybody thinks, oh, it's so far. ऐसा नहीं है. So same ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मेरा मॉर्निंग में 11:30 से 9:30 से 11:30 बैच चलता है. You will get the opportunities. Just take one step forward. Correct. Okay. One thing more I asked, Facebook accounts. So all of you have Facebook pages or profiles? Yes, Ashita, Facebook page है या प्रोफाइल है आपका?
Profile.
Yes, sir.
You have Facebook page or profile? You know the difference between page and profiles?
No, sir. I have a Facebook page.
For page, you have page. Okay, you share me, I'll tell you. See, profile is where you get friends. And page is your commercial place, just like your office, just like your offline office. There you have an option of jobs also. You have an option of sharing your location also. You have your office timings, and there people see everything what you do. And moreover, when you have to promote, you don't promote a profile, you promote a page. I have often seen लोगों को ये रहता है कि sir, I post on Facebook, but I don't get any likes. I don't get any business. Now, there is a reason behind it. The reason is we are posting on our Facebook profile. So when we are posting on profile, only our friends will know. People who are associated with us, our friends, our relatives. So how many times your friend or your relative will like your business? अगर आप actual में भी देखते हैं, in actual things, nobody would discuss your business or with you. आप उसमें अगर अपनी personal holiday या celebration डालेंगे तो you'll get 100 likes. But the moment you put regarding your business, you'll not get even a single, because that is associated with your friends and relatives. So for business, it is always a separate identity, that is page. I'll give you every detail in the coming session when we'll discuss on how to launch your classes. Okay, very first thing, motivation is required. I think everybody is dull today, no answers. Just see to him. If voice is not there, I'll explain. He is Mr. Syed Hussain, an African teacher, South Africa. See the date. Last year, 21st, 22nd of April, 21. So he was a math teacher at his school, at his place. But after doing Vedic maths, I will not say salary increase only. No, I will not give you any wrong information. But yes, he is getting more respect from the students as well as parents. He is getting more business in the evening to teach maths in an easy way. And he is being given more position in the school because he's able to create that interest of education in the class. Yesterday also I was discussing, a student remember 3 hours movie frame by frame, but cannot do half an hour or 40-minute class of mathematics. So that means he knows he can do. He is 100% correct. When we say students lack in concentration, how do they lack? You show them one movie and ask after 10th day, they'll give you each and every minute detail. So that means their concentration level is perfect. Only thing is they are not able to concentrate in your education. They are good at games. They remember every shot. So that means we need to work on that. We need to develop our education in such a way that it becomes more interesting. There are certain activities, even if I give you now 50 words, and you'll not be able to remember that. But I'll give you one concept that within 2 minutes, you'll remember all 50 words. So the only need is we need to program ourselves. We need to program our brains. And that there are certain techniques for that. Same is the case of Vedic mathematics. It basically trains your brain to be mentally stronger. And when things are mentally stronger, everything goes fine. Correct? So he is Sayyid Hussain and he's getting the so after doing this Vedic maths, second, if you had been seen Quora, most of you might be knowing Quora is a place where you can find answers to every question. Today, you're not getting any question. Write on Quora. After sometimes you'll get the answer from so many math teachers. So if you see, I'm the most viewed writer on Vedic mathematics in Quora. Right. So this all comes when you help others. So develop a habit to help others to solve their queries and then see how God will also give you back everything. Right. This is nature's rule. The more you'll give to the nature, the more you'll get back from him. And today is the Christmas, so start today only. Start gifting today. It's not gift money, gift something. Gifting means share knowledge. That can also be a gift, right? It could be a very big gift for someone. Now she is Priyadarshini Bahua from Assam. Again, class 9 student. And she is now after Vedic math, and she's one of the youngest trainers of Vedic mathematics. She has cleared exam, everything. Now she's training 9th class, 10th class, 11th class, 12th class, all. So what benefit she has? Yes, being youngest, people try to approach her. Students at least find comfortable. And she's helping her parents to earn more. So if these people can do, a person from South Africa can do, a girl of class 9th can do, can you not do this? Yes.
Yes, definitely. Yes, sir, definitely we can.
So just be on time for everything. This work, time. Homework, time. Everything. If you just observe my book, I've written step by step. So when I had to decide the name of the books, see, here it is also written. So when I was thinking of the names, everybody said, give it level 1, level 2. I said, no, there is nothing called as levels because government of India has not still finalized what would be the syllabus, how it would be. So I decided, let it be step by step. You have to rise one step every time. It's not you'll reach the height in one time. Correct. So just take a small step every morning and success would be there. So now if you feel motivated, let's start for the exercises. So take out your
Yes.
paper
Yes,
and
sir.
pen.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's take paper and pen and we'll start. So very first thing, the first topic we'll do is finding squares of a number. So what is a square?
A number multiplied by itself, the resultant will be called as the square.
Very good. Anyone else?
Even.
Yes, Senthil?
Number itself same multiplication.
So number multiplied by itself. So that now it is represented like this, n,
Well,
correct? Which means n into
into
n. So a number is multiplied twice or number is multiplied by itself, you can say. So if I take this number as 1, so 1 square becomes 1 into 1, that is 1. If I choose n as 3, it becomes 3 into 3, 9. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So very first thing, please write down this table. This is very important. I'll give you a table. Now we'll use this table in finding the squares of bigger numbers. So square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 2 into 2, 4. Square of 3 is 3 into 3, 9. So up till 10, we need to remember. We need to, right? So please write down this table. Now it has double importance. One, will be using to find squares of bigger numbers, right? Even 4-digit, 3-digit. Second thing, it is very helpful when we come across square roots. Same, this table would be applicable. Correct? So please write down this, and once done, we'll start.
done, sir.
Very good. Everybody has done?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So now, if I give you a small question, 26. If I ask you, find square of this number, how will you find?
576. 576.
Very good.
676, sir. 676.
Okay, no issues. So what is our approach? We generally go 26, multiply by 26, 36, 2 goes here, 12 and 2, 12 and 3, sorry, 15, and 2. Avinash, there is, I think,
Yes.
TV at your background. Please mute yourself. Now, this is our approach or any other approach we follow? Senthil.
Yes.
Yes, Ashita, do you follow this approach or we have any other method?
So follow this approach.
Correct. Harishankar, Anita,
Same, sir.
Sonali. Okay. Now, this is not wrong. This is correct. But the point is, with the help of this, we are every time multiplying twice and then adding. And if it is a big number, then it would be more. Now, see, today is a world of competitiveness. And coming tomorrow would be more because jobs are less, opportunities are less, and people are more. So what is happening? More of competition. And there we always have examinations, entrance examination, we call it as, scholarship tests, we call it as. And what is the concept behind that? Race against time. You're given 100 questions and you have to solve within 120 minutes, 2 hours. So that means for every question, you need only 1 minute. If I go by this, I'll not be able to solve. Now I'll give you a simple concept on this. It is a 2-step initially you need to understand, then it would be very easy. What is square of 2?
4.
4.
I'll write in 2 digits, because always remember, single digit number when multiplied with another single digit number, the result should be written in 2 digits. Yes, since it is on the left side, so 0 will have no value. But if it is written on the right hand side, then you might make a mistake. Square of 6. What is square of 6?
36.
36. Now this is my first step.
36.
I calculated a square, I calculated b square, and this I can say this is my a, this is my b. At second step, I will multiply a, b, and 2. If you remember, there was a concept 2ab.
Yes.
So we'll
Yes,
just
sir. A plus b
multiply
bracket
that,
square.
and remember, so 2 into 6 is 12, 12 into 2 is 24. But I'll not write anything below unit place. So I'll just write 24 here, add it. It becomes 676. Correct. Another example I'll show you. 48, 16, 64. Again, 4 into 8 is 32, into 2, 64. 4. Now you can add balance line if you want, otherwise you are clear by now. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Clear, sir.
So what is square of 67?
67,
Find out.
36, 49.
4489.
4489.
Very good. 83.
6889.
Now here you had why I taught you 64, and it would be 9, but it would be written as 09. See, now it is important. And then 8 3 is 24 to 48. Finish. So now you're clear. With 21, it would be 4 and 0.
441.
441. So that is why I taught you you have to write in 2 digits. Correct? Otherwise, you might make silly mistakes sometime. What is 37 square? First.
1369.
1369.
Good. 78 square.
Six zero eight four.
6084. Okay. Yes. Same answer or different?
6084, sir.
Good.
8084.
सर और एक बार
6084.
बोलिए
6084.
हाँ, बताइए अविनाश।
और एक बार
6084.
सर
ये सोनाली कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आया बताओ, कोई नंबर बोलो जो आपको दिक्कत आ रहा है।
37 सर
37. What is square of 3?
9
So let's write 09. We should have a habit of writing. 0 तो बाद में हटेगा ही. What is the square of 7?
49
First step हो गया. Second step में तीनों digits को multiply करना है basically. 2 जो दिख रहा है, क्योंकि we have to find 2AB. A is the first digit at tens position, B is a digit at unit position. So क्या आया? 3 into 7 into 2 कितना होता है? Yes, Sonali.
42 सर
42. हमने जो यूनिट प्लेस है वहां कुछ नहीं लिखना है. वी हैव नॉट टू राइट 42 यहाँ लिख दीजिए. तो 9 का 9 6 1 3. ठीक है.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. One more. 83. अच्छा, we just did it. Sorry, अभी करा था. 91.
6889.
Yes, we just did it. Sorry. 91.
8281. 8281.
8281.
Very good. Okay. So what is the largest two-digit number?
99.
What is 99 into 99? So what is 99 square?
Sir, 8541.
8 तो आएगा ही नहीं. 81, 81,
9801. 9801.
2,
9801.
9801. Correct? Everyone clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो एक और लेते हैं सिंपल. 45 का.
Sir, 2025. 2025.
Yes, everyone else?
05 is 25 and 4 into 5 is 20.
Yes. We'll explain that now after this. Okay. Now, so what we were doing was a square we were finding, then b square we were finding, leaving the space I was writing 2ab. Correct?
Yes, sir.
जब बड़े numbers आ जाएंगे, initially I wrote very clearly it is for two-digit numbers, but still it's not कि we cannot solve bigger numbers. 3-digit नहीं कर सकते हैं. आप example ले लीजिए 1 1 3. You can have a as 11. So what is that? 11 means 121. 9 means 3 means 09, and 6 into 11 means, yes, 3 into 2 into 11, 66.
30 is 66.
तो आ गया आपका आंसर.
12769. Is it right, sir?
Yes, 12769. But एक और concept है. This is you are finding like this. Now this concept, this is basically a formula derived from two sutras. But
Sir,
yes.
sir, can I something? Can we split 113 as you split it as 11 is a A and 3 is a B? Okay. Can we split it as 1 and 13?
Yes, I am coming to that only.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now the same thing we can do in other format. Do you remember the formula A plus B whole square? It was
A
square plus B square plus 2ab. So अगर ये क्वेश्चन मैथ्स में आता 113, तो जनरली हम क्या करते हैं 100 plus 13 कर देते हैं. या 27 आया था तो we do it 20 plus 7, but that is too big because calculations will become bigger. I'll give you one same example. If it is, let's say 36, so if you're doing 30 plus 6 here, so 30 square means 900, square means 36, and when you multiply 30 into 12, so what is that? 360.
60.
Then you add everything, so you get 6, 9, and 12. Now, see Vedic maths approach. If it is 36, here I used this as A, this as B. And I use the formula A square, B square, plus 2ab. Correct? Any doubt? This is normal maths, what we are doing, conventional maths. Now, same thing, when we do in Vedic maths, what we do, we say A is 3 and B is 6. And what we will do, we'll use the balancing line, A square, but here slight difference is there. We will not put B square first, we'll put 2ab and then B square. So A square is 9, 2ab is 36, B square is 36, and we'll just shift. So 6 here, 36 plus 6 becomes 9, and 3 plus 12 becomes 12. So see, here the calculations went up to 900, 360. Here 9, 36, and 336 only. Got the difference? So this is Vedic mathematics concept. Every digit is given separate identity. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to Avinash point. Let's solve. Before that, okay, I'll ask you a question. 102. Correct. I took A as 10, B as 2. So A square, 2ab, B square. So you can use that vertical format also. You can use this vertical for horizontal format also. 144. Or even if you write 04, the only one more benefit here is, even if you by mistake forget to write 04, then also you are correct. So 4 remains as it is, 0, 1, 0, 4, 0, 4. Any doubt on this first? See, a 3-digit can also be done. And otherwise, if you go by your normal procedure, 102, 102, that means 3 times multiplication and then adding. That can make a silly mistake. Now my question is what Avinash asked.
Yes, sir.
Can I take A as 1 and B as 02?
That is my question, sir. Can we do like that?
Yeah, yes, I'll ask the same question to everyone first. Yes, Anita.
No.
Till. Why no? And why yes? If yes, why? And I want to use the balancing line only. Senthil.
Tell me, sir. Super.
Miss Superbly, I asked you, can we, here I selected A as 10 and B as, see, it was a 3-digit number. I made this as A, I made this as B. My question is, can I have A as 1 and B as 02?
No, sir.
Why?
100 plus 2, sir. 100 plus 2.
Sorry?
Okay, sir. Not can't explain, sir.
Okay. Yes, Aarti, Sonali, Harishankar, Ashita. See, very important thing.
सर पता नहीं
चलो कोई बात. Harishankar.
No, sir, I don't know.
Chalo. Yes, it is possible. First, I'll explain you with other number, then I'll explain you this. Let's say our question is 121. First case, let us take A as 1, B as 21. If you don't know till now. First case, I'll take 12 and B as 1. This you already know. So A square will become 144. 2AB will become 2 into 12 is 24. And B will become 1. So answer is 14146. This is clear? This is clear, na? This we already know.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I make A as 1 and B as 21, so what is A square? 1. B square 441. Correct? Now, how will I do? Okay, A square 1, 2AB. So that will remain 21 into 2 is 42, 441. Now, understand one thing. When I taught you place values, I said every time you should have one digit. This is what I taught you. But here, I'm fixing unit digit as a 2-digit number. This is what I fixed. B as a 2-digit number. So that means every place value should have 2 digits now. So 41 will remain, only 4 will go. So it will be 1, 4, 6, and 4, 1. And this is the answer. Avinash, did you get the answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now,
Yes, I got it.
see how easy it becomes. And you asked a very right question, because students can ask this thing. Why should I have B as, there is a reason also. I'll give you the reasons also. Sometimes
Yes, yes.
AB is much easier. Yes. Ashita, did you get the, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Harishankar? Anita?
Yes, sir.
Cecil?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
now I have fixed 21 as a unit place. I used to say only single digit at single place. At that time, I was having single digit also. Na? Now I am deliberately made it a 2-digit number. So that means there should be 2 digits at every place. This is basic understanding, and see how easy answer is coming. So regarding this, generally people say 0, 2, you cannot have. A as 1, A square as 1, 2AB will be, I have to write now in 2 digits. Though it is 0, so it is 0, 4. And again B square. B square is 4, but again, this is 2 digits, so 2 digits. So one line on. Here I took 2 steps at least. Here it is 1 line. Senthil, is it clear now?
Clear, sir.
So depending on what you have taken. Now, why this second concept is very important. See, let's say there is a question like, let's say 650. Right. Or let's say, not, let me change it. 621 only. Now, if I take A as 6 and B as 21, then it is very easy for me. Why? I know 6 square is 36. I also know 21 square is 441. This is very easy to calculate. But if I take A as 62, again I have to check in the rough work what is square of A. So sometimes what happens, you can choose this and that will be very easy. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But okay, let's solve some questions. So please, what is the answer of 106 square? Find out. Try with both the techniques so that you are comfortable in this also.
Sir, 11236.
10126.
1, 1.
236.
Okay. Yes, everybody got it? Senthil, did you get it?
No, sir.
Why? What happened?
Small doubt, sir.
Ask me, what is the doubt? See, if you take A as 10, B as 6. So A square means 100. B square means 36. 2AB means 120. So single digit, 6 here, 3 here, 12 goes further, so 112. If I choose
Okay, sir.
huh?
I got it.
If I choose A as 1, B as 6, 0, 6, then A square is 1, 2AB is 12, and 6 square is 36. Then also this is the answer, single line. 1, 12, 36. Clear?
I got clear, sir.
Okay, solve one more. 120. Okay, 124. Do it.
14641. 14641.
No, I changed the number
120.
because 121 I had already solved, so I changed it.
15376.
Yes,
15376.
yes, ma'am.
153. 15376. Yes.
Very good.
That's right.
15376.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
This system, this method, it is very easy for 2-digit numbers. But with 3-digit numbers, the more we'll move away from base, it will become tough. I'll give you example. Can you find it for 3?
110521.
Very good. Have you checked? One 130,321. This is the answer. So see where you got wrong. If I take A as 36, B as 1. So what is 36 here?
One two nine six.
1296. One 130,321.
Got it?
सर इसमें लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम था 36 का जो स्क्वायर है तो बाय हार्ट नहीं था तो सेपरेटली वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फर्स्ट द स्क्वायर ऑफ 36
मैंने अभी क्या वर्ड बोला कि this concept was ideal for 2-digit numbers or numbers near to base. Now there
Yes,
is
sir,
a
yes, sir.
term called base. What is that base? Base is 10 raised to power n. So either it is should be near to 10, 100, 1000 तब चलता है.
हाँ सर
पर आपको प्रॉब्लम आई तभी इसका सोल्यूशन देंगे ना. अभी एक
Yes, yes,
क्वेश्चन
yes,
और
sir.
करना है. जब आपको प्रॉब्लम आएगी फिर आप okay find out this last and just observe कितना टाइम लगता है. Then I'll give you the this answer within 3 seconds. You can find out, not more than 3 seconds. So but first apply this and see how much time you are taking. See, there are 13 methods for finding scales. अविनाश, अगर आपने मेरा बुक
Yes,
देखा
sir.
हो तो बाय हार्ट हो जाएंगे आपको याद.
Sir, 1998001. 199
Wrong.
199
It is 998001.
998. हाँ, right sir. 998001.
आप 1 बोल रहे हो ना?
हाँ, ओ बाय मिस्टेक 1 ले लिया।
तो ये तो इसका तो बहुत, अभी यही क्वेश्चन हम दोबारा करेंगे दूसरी टेक्निक से, सब आप सब 3 सेकंड्स पे कर लेंगे।
Sir, but I did this example with a minus b bracket square formula, 1000 minus 1 bracket square.
So
I
आप
use
लंबा
that
खुद
method.
कर रहे हो ना? I'll give
हाँ
you one
sir,
more, I'll give you much easier than that.
okay.
For this particular, कहाँ से किया हुआ है आपने, क्या क्या किया हुआ है, what topics you know, then I'll tell you how to do.
Sorry sir, not too much.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ। देखो
हाँ.
वेरी फर्स्ट ये निखिलम सूत्रा से हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन। निखिलम सूत्रा का मतलब क्या है? 999 तो क्या है? -1 बट इट इज 1000 बेस, सो इट विल बी रिटन एज 01 और इसको माइनस करो तो 998 आ गया। फिनिश। कोई भी इसमें आपने किया कैलकुलेशन? 1 into 1 सबको आता है और 999 -1 भी सबको आता है। सेकेंड, अभी यूनिवर्सल टेक्निक कराऊंगा, अभी आएगा, ठीक है, उससे भी हो जाएगा। थर्ड, इट कैन ऑल्सो बी डन, जो मैंने कल भी समझाया था, व्हेन मल्टीप्लायर इज 9, 99, 999 और समथिंग। सो 999 था, एक को 999 मान लो, एक को दूसरा नंबर मान लो। अगर तो पहले एक में से -1 कर दिया तो 998 आ गया। अब 999 को में से 998 निकालोगे तो क्या आएगा? 001। फिनिश। सो विदाउट एनीथिंग यू गेट दिस आंसर। और जो फोर्थ जो अभी हम यूज कर रहे हैं, हमने क्या यूज किया? व्हाट, आइदर हम इसको 9 का स्क्वायर ले लें या 99 का, अल्टीमेटली दोनों लेने पड़ेंगे आपको। 81, व्हाट इज 9 into 9 into sorry, what is 9 into 2 into 99? यस अनीता, क्या है आंसर था बीच का?
1782
1782, परफेक्ट। एंड 99 स्क्वायर अगेन होता है 9801। तो अभी हमने क्योंकि 2 डिजिट लिया है तो 01 यहाँ आया, 98 अगर यहाँ भेजेंगे तो भी ये 0, ये 8 हो जाएगा, ये 8 हो जाएगा, ये 1 हो जाएगा। तो क्या हुआ? जीरो, सॉरी 1 0, ये पहले यहाँ आ गया 01, फिर 0, फिर 8, उधर 9 और 9। फिनिश। क्योंकि 18 जैसे यहाँ लोगे तो 99 बन गया। तो 4, ये सब तभी आएगा आपको जब अलग अलग टेक्निक्स, ये अभी करेंगे हम। अभी we took around more than 1 minute to solve this because I clearly told this system, this concept is ideal for 2-digit numbers. So बड़े numbers के लिए एक और है, but yes, ये नहीं कह सकते कि we cannot do with this. So we should know. First you will feel the heat, then only you'll realize ना कि उसका मजा क्या है। जब easy होगा तभी उसका experience कर पाओगे। So we'll do that also, right? अभी करते हैं। Another thing. Now, second, this you'll be able to do the squares within 1 second. So the concept is finding squares of numbers ending with 5. और कैसे करेंगे? यूजिंग इकादिकेना कंसेप्ट, जो कल वाला कंसेप्ट था हमारा, एक ज्यादा ऐड करके। दिस इज नोन एज इकादिकेना पूर्वेना। मेंटली कर लेंगे आप। I'll take one example. 25 सपोज स्क्वायर करना है या 35 स्क्वायर करना है। So always remember, when number is ending with 5, 5 का स्क्वायर तो 25 ही आएगा, चाहे कुछ कर लो. Correct. First half is 25. Whatever is the number before this, whatever is the number, you have to multiply that number with one more. Means, so after 2, what comes? 3. So what is 2 into 3?
6.
6.
What comes after 4? 3? 4. So what is
4.
3 into 4? 12.
12.
अब ये देखो, easy. 15 square. So what comes after 1? 2. So what is 1 into 2?
5.
What is 1 into 2? 2.
2.
5. What is 4, 5 square? So 4 into 5 is
2025.
2025.
very good. What is 55 square?
3025.
25.
Very good. Senthil, are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is
Understand, sir.
65 square? Senthil, tell me.
4225, sir.
Very good. So see, so help. 75 square?
5625, sir.
Very good. 85 square?
7225.
7225.
95 square?
10025.
9025.
9025.
105 square?
11025.
11025. Very easy. Correct. 11. Oh, sorry. 115 square? कल किया था 11 into
13225. 13225.
125 square?
15625.
135 square? चलो एक और करेंगे. No issues. 13 into 14. Come on. What is 13 into 14? 18.
18225.
Very good. Last. 145 square. So 14 into 15 is 210.
21025.
So how easy it becomes. Do you know what is the reason behind it? I'll show you. So now clear, see, within 1 second you can answer. And generally we get the scares for kids, we get always numbers ending with 5 only. 145 is the most common which you get. Now see, I gave the formula A here is equal to A square 2AB plus B. Correct? This is what we gave the formula. Now, ending with 5 means B is equal to 5. Correct? Means A5 here is equal to, so A square will remain as it is. This will become 10A. This will become 25. Clear? So what will this become? A square plus A and 25. What is this? A into A plus 1. Finish. So this was we were doing and 25 was remaining as it is. Did you understand? So simple, we did it. Now it is clear. So last time in 45 I gave, you were trying to give like this. 45 means 16. 4 into 5, 20 and 40 and 25. So now you understood. If 5 as it is, 2 will go here, 4 goes here, 2, 25. And the simple is using Ekadikena. By Ekadikena, if you understand that concept, you can answer them verbally. Any doubt now in these two concepts? Yes, Ashita.
Sir, I doubt
No, sir.
9 multiples doubt, sir.
Which one, sir?
9 multiples doubt.
9 multiples. Actually, we didn't take the topic. I just explained. I'll explain. I'll give you. I'll give you after this because that topic was not there. I just because Avinash was asking something. I'll give you. Don't worry, that I'll take. But first, I'll take the third method, the third technique of scales. Now, in 999, you took so much of time, correct? I'll show you how to do it within 3 seconds. This is called as universal method. And this works on the principle of A plus B, A minus B. I'll show you. Let's take a very small number. Let's say I have 39. Now, the target is, the motive is, I need 0 at this place. How can I get? Yes, Ashita, Avinash, how can I have 0 in place of 9? Senthil. So, yes, Anita.
10 minus 1.
Minus 1 will become 38.
No, sir. 9 can be written as
Plus
10
1.
minus 1.
I don't want 9 to be written. I want here 0. Okay, see now. If I add 1, it will become 40. Any doubt?
Okay.
But I added 1 for my purpose. So I have to subtract 1 also. So I get 38. Now I have to multiply this only. So what is 38 into 4? More simple. Yes.
$152.
Yes, tell me.
152.
Okay. 152. And to this we need to add, okay, 0 is also there. To this I need to add square of this or this, anyone. The answer is 1521. Let me take one more simple number, you'll understand. Let's say it was 26. Now see, I added 4, it becomes 30. Subtracted 4, because once you add, so you have to subtract the same. You got 22. Now 22 into 3 is very easy, 66. And 0, 660. What is square of 4? 16. So answer is 676. Again, it is not necessary that you have to add 4. You could subtract 6 also, na? Then also you will get. So now you subtracted 6, you have to add also 32. So what is 32 into 2? 64.
64.
And what is this? 36. Again 676. See how many ways you are getting. Now see for your example that 999. Oh, I'll give you time to write. Just 1 second more. 999. Add 1. It becomes 1000. Subtract 1. It becomes 998. So what is 1000 into 998? Most simple. And add 1. All your calculation of finding square of 9, square of 99, 9 into 99 into 2, gone.
Thank you so much, sir. It's
Just you multiplied with
99800.
just you multiplied with 1000.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So this is why this is called universal method. First, you write down all this. So first page, write this example. Then I'll tell you. Then once done, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
First page done.
Yes, sir.
Second, see how many ways. I told you yesterday, Vedic mathematics gives you the ability to think. See, by how many concepts you can solve this answer of. Still, there is one more method. There are so many methods, in fact.
स्क्वेअर काढता येते का?
Yes, Avinash.
स्क्वेअर. No, sir. Yes, sir. Copied, sir. It's okay.
Okay, third. तो आप कॉम्पिटिटिव में आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ा क्या ये सबका?
हाँ पढ़ा था सर. वैसे तो नॉर्मली सर सभी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं 30 या 40 तक के स्क्वायर्स वहां पे पूछे हुए होते हैं. लाइक व्हेन वी कैलकुलेट फॉर द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम या फिर डायरेक्शन या फिर डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करना है. सो सब 2 डिजिट नंबर से होते हैं, बहुत बड़े नंबर्स नहीं होते वहां पे. सो हम कहते हैं कि 1 to 30 बाय हेड कर लो, काम हो जाएगा. और टेबल्स कर लो 30 तक के तो भी काम हो जाएगा.
फिर आप एक बार ना नेपाल घुमाओ.
नहीं सर, आप हो ना सर.
नहीं
आप
मेरी
हो ना सर.
नहीं अरे यार
यू आर
listen
इनफ
to-
सर.
अरे यार listen to me ना. वहां
हाँ.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है, 12 से ऊपर तो आता ही नहीं, क्योंकि they have allowed calculators in the exam hall.
Oh, it's so strange sir.
हाँ, तभी तो उनके बच्चों को कुछ नहीं आता है. You
So
won't believe-
mathematics is all about sir. It's so much important subject.
I asked them a simple question: why you are taking this exam? Why are you conducting maths exam if you have to give them the calculators in the hall?
Yes sir.
That is the problem. Right from class 8, they give the calculators. Okay, do it. And if you ask any
That-
simple question also, if you'll ask, okay, tell me the table of 13, they'll open the calculator and start telling you. This is the problem. Change. Chalo.
Mathematics is, I personally think sir, mathematics is not only a learning subject. Mathematics teach you how to calculate your life, your ethics, your morals in your lifestyle. Mathematics makes your life.
What I told you yesterday, life
Yes sir,
changing
right.
process,
I agree sir, I agree.
visualization, reasoning, logic.
Logic.
Correct? It
Yes,
helps
sir,
a
we are-
lot. Chalo, no
So
issue.
much, so much. Yes.
Yes, everybody got it? Now find out 106 with the help of this.
One, 2, 3, 6.
Yes, everyone?
1, 2, 3, 6.
So, Senthil, this method is easy or the earlier one is easy?
Easy, sir. Super, sir.
Super, you need it for competitive exams.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
Chalo.
I need to start the Vedic math course also, sir.
You don't pick the phone. Ma'am was saying you're not taking phone. Yesterday she called you up. So today you can call me up after this. Then we'll discuss.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, 113. Please find out.
One two seven six nine. 12769.
Yes, others?
1, 2, 7, 6, 9.
Very good. Senthil is now fast. Yesterday he was not speaking anything.
Sure, sir.
221 square.
Two four six four one. 24641.
How will, just tell me, Avinash.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me one thing. You have 2. So how can you get 2 here?
48841.
48841, sir.
Now you are rushing, and in that you make certain mistakes. Avinash, did you understand? This is the basic thing. If you have 2 here, how can you have 2 here? The 221 means, yes, subtract 21. So it will remain 200. And adding would give me, what will it give me? 21 add. So 242. So 242 into 2 is, so you just wrote this one, but it was supposed to be multiplied with 2. So, sorry, 48400, and then the 21 square was 441. So 48841. Yes, Ashita, did you understand? Anita,
Yes, sir.
any doubt now?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's take more bigger number. Avinash,
Yes,
kids
sir.
are there. Please mute yourself. They're disturbing everyone. Okay. 5015 square. It's such a big number. 15 square is, you just now did it. 225.
Two five 15225.
25150225.
Okay.
2515225.
0 is also there.
25150225.
Yes.
225. Right.
Any doubt now? So we did 3
Correct,
concepts. One was for 2
Yes.
digits, one was numbers ending with 5, and now even big numbers. Any doubt, Anita? Any questions you have, please ask right now, because that would be end for J topic.
So
Sir,
we are
explain this,
comfortable,
sir.
right?
Yes,
Hello?
Avinash, you can ask because you know some points, so even that would be helpful for everyone.
Yes, 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 sir.
Sir, they explain this
Excuse me, sir.
5045.
Yes, Ashita, you are saying something, please.
या
Hello.
सर इसको अगर यूनिवर्सल मेथड से करते हैं तो अगर 5015 में से -15 that is 5000 and +15 that is 5030
30.
then 5000 multiple by 5030 होगा ना
जी,
तो कैलकुलेशन बड़ा नहीं हो जाएगा मतलब
पहली बात तो इतना बड़ा नंबर जब आएगा तो और कोई तरीका क्या है आपके पास? ये तो फिर भी
Sir?
मैं आप कर सकते हो. जस्ट डोंट टेक इट दैट ये बड़ा हो जाएगा. जस्ट थिंक कि अगर ये नंबर आ जाए तो कौन सा इजी मेथड है. सी व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग यू टू सच बिग नंबर्स. जैसे अभी अविनाश बोल रहा था 2 डिजिट तक कराते हैं, सो दे नेवर थिंक कि 2 डिजिट से ऊपर भी कुछ होता है. समझ रहे हैं आप मेरी बात? ये देखिए, अगर आपके पास ये क्वेश्चन ही आ
Yeah.
जाता 5015, is the option with you, then the option is go this way, then that means you will multiply 4 times. That might make silly mistakes because multiple carry over आएंगे इसमें. तो पहली बार 2 carry over आया, ठीक है, 0 25, फिर दोबारा ये किया तो फिर यहाँ पे कैरी ओवर आएगा, तो बच्चा वो भी तो कंफ्यूज होगा ना. तो नंबर को लेके चलो, उस हिसाब से तो मेथड में फास्ट है. दूसरा बात, आपने अभी मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद 5 सीखा नहीं. when you have to do multiplication with 5, in actual you don't multiply, you divide by 2.
सर
एक मिनट
Can I ask-
आदित्य का मुझे सॉल्व कर दूं, मैं अविनाश आपका भी लेता हूँ. So
okay,
whenever
okay,
you have to multiply with 5, 50, 500 or 5000, in actual you have to divide by 2. That is much easier. तो वो स्टेप्स होते हैं. ऐसे ही when you are asked to divide by 5 or 50 or 500, then you multiply with 2. Multiplication with 2 is in a single line. Similarly, division by 2 is also in a single line. So ये बहुत से रूल्स हैं, इनको कहते हैं डबलिंग एंड हाफिंग. एंड डबलिंग इज वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज जिसमें आपके दोनों ब्रेन्स काम करने लग जाते हैं. जैसे कल 11 में किया था, डबलिंग इज फोकस्ड ऑन दैट. You have to pre-assume yes, I'll be getting a carryover or not. So both the brains start working, and doubling is one of the best exercise for your mental, if you want to start with mental exercises. So that is the best thing. बच्चा इसके बाद immediately speed पकड़ लेता है. Yes, now Avinash, tell me.
हाँ सर, द प्रॉब्लम इज अबाउट, वैसे तो स्क्वायर का तो हो गया. स्क्वायर तो बच्चे इस मेथड से अगर पढ़ाएंगे, या फिर आपने बोला कि टोटल देयर आर 13 ट्रिक्स टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर्स एंड क्यूब्स एंड स्क्वायर्स एंड क्यूब रूट्स. ओके, दैट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प सर, जो आपने फॉर्मूलाज बताए हैं. लेकिन अदर देन दिस, जो हमने एक स्पेसिफिक टाइप के नंबर भी लिए, जैसे कि कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं अगर 11 से, या फिर 111 से, या फिर 4 डिजिट 1 से, दैट इज आल्सो स्पेसिफिक टाइप.
पहले तो पीछे से बैकग्राउंड से अलग हो जाओ. एवरीबॉडी इज गेटिंग दिस. उसके बाद आप क्वेश्चन दोबारा पूछना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. आई विल आंसर यू. यस सेंथिल, यू हैड सम क्वेश्चन. सेंथिल
Sir, 5015 doubt, sir.
5015, correct?
Sir. My answer 25152225.
Let me tell you. Minus 15, 500, correct?
Yes, sir.
If I add 15, 5030, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is 5030 into 5? 0, 5, 1, 25. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 2, 5, 1, 5, 0. And 3 zeros this also, na?
Yes, sir.
And what is 15 square? 225. Now it's done.
Okay, okay.
See, this is not, you have to be, because you are already training competitive exams. So you should not make such silly mistakes.
Sure, sir.
Okay, good. Yes, Avinash, tell me.
हाँ सर, यहाँ पर स्क्वायर का टॉपिक भी कोई प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं है, या फिर क्यूब का, या फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन का. लेकिन जब हम इरेगुलर नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, जैसे कि फ्रैक्शंस का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तब भी मल्टीप्लाई थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाएगा. लेकिन डिवाइड करते समय स्टूडेंट्स मोर प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करते हैं, जैसे कि एनी नंबर व्हेन
लेट मी कंक्लूड. आप जो एंट्रेंस की तैयारी कराते हो, पहले एक ही दिन में सारा करा देते हो कि महीना लेते हो?
नहीं सर, आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग व्हाट इज द प्रोविजन इन वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स फॉर दैट. topics.
There is provision for everything.
Okay, okay.
फिर वो जैसे अभी मैंने आपको 999 बताया, आपको समझ आ गया, but he could not understand. So उनके मन में
Yes.
एक बैठ जाएगा ना कि I am not getting. So वो पता
Yes,
क्या
sir.
रिव्यू जाएगा? After the workshop, the review will be we could not understand. But so in the workshop, I have to be limited ना. Some topics
Yes,
जो
yes.
आपको clear हो जाए. You have
Yes.
any query, you can discuss upon.
No any query in this topic, sir. Very good, sir.
Division is very easy. People do run from division, but division is very easy. Okay. So done. Okay. Next, second part would be, let's come back. So this was finding scale. So see, we use that first 10 digits to find everything. Again, you can download the notes and you'll get everything in that.
Sir, where we can download the notes, sir?
I shared you the Facebook group. There it is available. You didn't check.
Okay, sir.
That's what I said. You didn't check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then everything is given in your WhatsApp. Please read that one.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So now we'll be doing finding cubes. But before that, see, the motive of this workshop was not only learning of Vedic mathematics. The motive was how to launch your classes, what all you'll be needing in that, how you'll be promoting it online. So that was a motive. Correct. So now first we'll understand how to launch your online classes, what all is required, what softwares you'll be using, what techniques you'll be using, what payment gateways you'll be using. So I'll discuss that. And thereafter we'll go for cube. Correct. Now,
Yes, yes.
so the first thing, so the very first thing, yes, I was discussing that time between the profile, page, and group. Now I'll give you mine. You can see later on yours also. Now www.facebook.com / Dr. Yogesh Chandna. Okay, I take this help of this will be better. It will be able to. Right. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because that would be fast. Now, once I'll write, then I'll explain you all. Now, the first one is facebook.com / Dr. Yogesh Chandna. Now, what is this? If you see, this is a page. Page means your commercial identity of your, or you can say address of your office. So this will always have a map, a location, your reviews also. Yesterday, I asked you to review me. Nobody did, I think, in this batch. Jobs. So anything what your physical office has, this has all such links. Generally, you people have this. This is called as profile. Now, you might not be having personalized, means you might not be having like this, Dr. Yogesh Chandna by your name, Senthil or something, because you might not have personalized. See, one thing, personalization is required, because when you share with somebody else, how will you give it? It comes like facebook.com / 10000. So is it possible you to share that number? So always personalize. It is you, for that you need to go to the settings and personalize. There is a click, you can go. Choose any name, whatever suits you. Now in profile, I'll add up the friends. That is also a limit. 5,000 friends you can have. Here you get in profile, you get likes and followers. So there is no limit to it. I have 10K followers and 10K likes. But friends, you cannot exceed more than 5,000. So that is this. Third is group. Group means where you allow others also to post their subjects, their topics, their interest. So that was this I gave you, Senthil. This was given to you to submit your homework, because from here my teachers, they view the things and they submit. And if you see, all my students who are taking this workshop or who are taking classes, regular classes are there always. So they submit their homework there. One thing is they get reference from them. One thing, they also feel confident. Yes, I was able to do it. Correct. And people will follow you. See, the main thing is from tomorrow, people will start following you. If you have not seen today, check one homework of one lady. I'll give you the name, just skipping. You'll see that homework that is written such beautifully. You'll see like she has done painting. She has done, she's already a tutor in Delhi, but she has taken Vedic mathematics training from me. Just allow me 1 second. I'll tell you what is the name. So that is when you see such work, one thing is you get the solution. That is one thing, but how beautifully she has done, you can see. 24 batch. I'll giving you the name. Chalo, by the end, I'll tell you the names. So she has done so beautifully homework that people follow her, right? So this is how you'll gain confidence also, and you'll gain followers also later. And so group is a place where you can allow other people to submit your homework. Yes, simple, this is there. But for business, you need a page. We'll understand in depth why it is needed now. Yes. Are you able to see this black screen? No.
No, sir.
Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
what all is required? The very first thing is a thorough course idea and plan. Now, this does not mean you should have thorough knowledge of the subject, but at least you should know what content you are going to teach. I gave you a very open challenge. Yes, after this workshop, you can take training of at least 1 month of kids. Because small kids, class 3rd, class 4th, class 5th, they need tables, they need fast multiplication, and tables take at least 5 to 10 classes. Similarly, multiplication takes 5 classes. So if you are going for alternative days, you have sufficient material. What we did yesterday, I'm not talking about today. Today's scaring, that comes from class 6th onwards only. And cubing comes in 8th. But again, if you know the concepts, you can give the references to even younger one. Correct. So idea means, who is your target audience? Now, generally we have seen, we advertise like learn Vedic mathematics. You might have seen so many such posts. So do you think anybody would reach up to you, or anybody would call you up? Because you yourself have not mentioned it clearly for whom that ad is. If you see my ad, it is very clearly written, I help teachers to attain this thing. So it gives a very clear signal to the teachers, yes, this ad is meant for me. Tomorrow, if you start with the classes and you say, learn Vedic mathematics, now whom is this ad meant for? So first thing, you need to highlight one thing, content you highlight in the ad or not, that is not a big thing. But whom are you targeting? What is your target audience? For example, if you say, yes, I want to teach class 3rd and 4th. So you can very clearly read, attention moms of class 3rd, 4th. I am here to solve your child's problem in mathematics. And you see, people will start approaching you. But if you write, learn Vedic mathematics from me, I am an international trainer, nobody would be coming to you. Because they know even you are not clear whom you are going to teach. Now, if you have to go buy something, you go to a particular shop. You will not go to any other shop and ask for the same thing. People don't have time now, so they are very selective. Correct? So in that order, you have to first take the decision who I am going to train. Am I going to train class 3rd, 4th, 5th? Am I going to train 6th, 7th, 8th? Am I going to train 9th, 10th? Or leave these students? I don't want to train students. I just want competitive examinations like Avinash and Senthil are doing. So I just want to cater those, give them the tips, give them a 1 week capsule course, 6 or 15 days capsule course. But it should be clearly mentioned. Tips on Vedic mathematics for your competitive examinations, and see the response. Or you want to teach mothers, or you want to teach the teachers. So that should be very clearly known to you, and even your advertisement or your content or your material should depict that. If you are having staff, even they should be very clear with this. Let it be you lose some admissions initially. Maybe a person calls, no, I am looking for my son of 9th class. And you, even if you say, yes, no, sir, I am teaching only 3rd to 4th, 5th. You're not losing business. He'll definitely refer somebody to you the second day. But only if you have that knowledge of your content at least. So thorough knowledge of the course idea means you should be very clear. And yesterday, like we discussed, mothers will not start with the course. They'll discuss so many other things also. They'll discuss how is it different from this thing, how it will be going to affect my child's concentration level, how it would be helping me in this. So that questions I was expecting from you. There are 3-4 mothers over here, but nobody asked me any question. And believe me, when tomorrow mothers would be paying you, they'll definitely ask such questions to you. Even if you go for admission of your child, you'll ask. So don't take that key, yes, this is just one opportunity and I'll take another. Whatever queries are coming, please go ahead. Correct? So right from your content, your thought process to your advertisement, everything should have your clear-cut picture. Yes, whom is your target audience? So this is what is known as a complete plan and course idea. Correct? I'm not taking students. I generally give different ads. One is for the schools. Yes, are you a school principal, chairman, or this? So go for a seminar. So now school principal knows this ad is for me. Teachers, yes, I help teachers. Students, yes, dear parents, are you suffering from this? Or if it is for books, yes, teachers, do you need books for yourself? See, so everything should be very clear cut. Second thing, here comes so all those Senthil, Avinash, how do you advertise on Facebook? Yes, Avinash, how do you advertise?
Facebook story, sir.
Facebook story. So
Newsfeed.
Okay, so how is the response?
No response, sir.
No response. Why? Is it a paid one or is it free one?
Free one.
So you are doing business. Nobody guided you that you should invest on Facebook. See, when you are printing pamphlets, one pamphlet costs you 20,000 rupees, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And do you know what Facebook is charging you? Only 83 rupees a day. So which is
Yes.
cheaper?
Yes. Facebook.
Then, and every student, every child, every mother, every father is on Facebook nowadays. Now I am taking class. I have received around 8 queries on Facebook.
Sir,
Yes,
and
sir.
more than Facebook, the traffic is more on Instagram nowadays.
It is there because young
Yes.
crowd is on Instagram, but it depends
Uh,
what your product is. Like if you're going for products related to females, then you get more response in Instagram. But if you go for higher end training, then you don't get it,
Yes, sir. Yes.
right?
Sir,
So
sir, I also found you on Instagram. Okay,
see,
so for time pass, so many people spend so much times on Instagram, and they find such kind of good stuff there also.
I'll tell you, I don't post on Instagram.
Yes.
Instagram comes as a additional bonus with Facebook. If I'm
Yeah, okay,
if
sir.
I promote Facebook, that is linked to Instagram. Otherwise, I don't do it. Right?
Yeah, yes,
Okay. So this is the first need, your clear-cut course idea and plan. Correct?
yes,
Second thing,
yes,
you need an email list. You need a now what is email list? It does not mean you should have email IDs only. It is basically when you are launching online, you need some data. Whom you'll approach. So let's say you have to approach mothers of one particular school. So one thing is you collect the data from the school. Now school people won't give you. So
yes, sir.
what is the process? The process can be, there are so many groups of mothers, parents, correct? So when you go there, then they will. So all the such groups will always help you to identify your clients, because everybody cannot go for faraway teachers also. And if you're putting up in an apartment, if you're living in a society, then it is the best for you, because in apartments or societies, you often get such email IDs or data is available at the gate also. Right. So very easy thing to start if you just follow certain steps. Clear?
Yes,
Third thing, now is the requirement of sales page. From where to launch? Now depends. Do you want to launch free of cost, or do you want to get paid for that? I'll suggest you one thing. I always guide this to all my students and everybody. Like I told Senthil initially only, never offer free. See, if you think you'll get clients by free, so you are wrong. Might be you get 100 registrations, but at the end of the day, not even one will turn up to pay you for the advanced course. So what is that work done? Because if you will not value your time, your money, why will others? So make a habit. Yes, you may charge nominal, that is one thing, but never offer anything free. Whatever is free in this world, we generally don't accept. I'll give you a very small example. Have you seen outside every temple and gurdwara also people are begging? They can go inside and get free lunch, free food. Still they are not interested. This is a position. And nature, we were getting free air, free water, though it is also not free. I explained it. What happened to our nature? In Corona, we saw it. Please always value yourself first. Nobody would be coming to you and value you. You value yourself, pat yourself, applaud yourself, motivate yourself, and keep a nominal fees. Yes, I am going to charge this because I am spending time on you. I am paying, I'm giving you that attention, that time, and that energy. and see. Maybe you will take one step a day late, but you'll definitely reach to the success. And if you're not taking money, maybe in front you are not taking money, but at the back of your mind you are thinking, oh, I have to pay electricity bill also, because I am teaching online free, but I have to pay electricity bill. Even Zoom that I am using, that is not also free. I have to pay 18,000 for that also. Add whatever I am doing, that is also paid. So why I am giving free? Paying to Google, paying to Zoom, paying to Facebook, paying to electricity, paying to everybody, and then also training free. That you need to remember. So sales page, I'll guide you how it is free and how you can do. So in the next slide, we'll learn on this. So when payment is essential, you should know how to accept payments also. Now we cannot have an excuse. I don't have this card or that card. No. All wallets should be available with you. GPay, PhonePe, whatever you can have, you should have, because you don't have to pay or register anything. It's very easily available now. And then payment gateways. A time was there, I'm talking about 2015. I was in this university, Karnataka State Open University. So I had to make a payment gateway in my website. You know how much time it took? It took more than 1 month. First, a physical letter from bank. Then it used to go to the payment gateway. They used to approve, and then it used to be done. Now it takes only 48 hours to get permission. Just 1 minute to register yourself. So again, in the next slide, I'll tell you which all gateways you can use, because there are people who say, I have a credit card, I want to pay through credit card. And there are people who will be from other countries. So only Nepal is one exemption. Nepal government does not allow to pay online. So for that, you can, I'll give you that also, how you can get it. Otherwise, all the countries of the world, they allow online payments. And for fifth, terms and conditions. Now, this is what is yours. 100% you have to decide what conditions you are putting. For example, what are these conditions? First, no refund policy could be there, or refund policy, whatever you feel. Offering refund policy in case of education is not a good idea, I think. Because then people will start following that only. नहीं समझ आया इसका तो कोई हल ही नहीं है. Correct. After taking your 1 week classes and person says, I don't understand. So why didn't you ask on the first day? So you need to understand or work on that. Second, what all you'll be giving? What would be the timing? What if this done? So you can have your own terms and conditions on this, right? You cannot copy on that. Whatever you think is required on the business point of view, but still, you can take a reference, but please never copy without seeing. Because big companies like Amazon, or they give like refund policies, but an individual cannot, right? That would be misused. So we'll discuss all these things in detail in coming slides also. But ultimate point is your content and delivery. I told you, I gave you an example of trainings. Before Corona, it was something different. Now parents are aware. You are getting global market, but global competition also. Correct. So if you are getting global market, global competition is coming up. Now starts the thing. So when you are advertising, when you are posting, how to create an eye-catching content. If you just write down, I'm taking classes, nobody is going to follow that. Nobody is going to see that. So your advertisement, your post should be attractive. It should be eye-catching, so that once people stop at that and look. So how to get that? So you need media, graphic images. So that means media means images as well as videos. Now question arises. Somebody will say, sir, I don't know this. No issues. There are easy steps to get these things. Images, earlier it was done in Corel, Photoshop. Yes, for that you need a helper. You need a person to help you out because it was not possible on the mobiles also. It's for that you need a laptop or a at least a computer system. But now Canva is one such software. How many of you know about Canva? Avinash, Canva use kiya?
Yeah, I know, sir, Canva. I regularly use, sir.
You use. Senthil?
I know, sir, but I cannot use.
You should use that. See, now Canva, what is Canva? Basically, it is a template-based software. Means you get so many lakhs and lakhs of softwares. If you want to post something regarding mathematics, let's say. So there are templates available. Just change the name as per your reach, as per change the image as per your requirement, and you get a new poster designed. So what is harm in that? And that is too handy. You can use it on your laptops or just on your mobiles and get the eye-catching images. Similarly, videos can be created in that also. And for videos, there are other softwares also, like InShot is there, InVideo is there. One major problem which arises to everyone when you start online coaching, when you start online training. What is that major problem? I cannot speak so much fluently because I forget the content. Yes, this is the problem. See, every problem has a solution, but only if you ask it. Now, the solution here is teleprompter. There is a software called teleprompter in which whatever you want to speak, first feed it, put it as a file, as a text. That text will flow in front of you, float in front of you, and you can just hold a mobile like this in front of you and you can speak. Nobody would be able to judge and record, sorry. So nobody would be able to judge whether you are reading the script and speaking or you remember everything. So that is for the when you are the starting at the starting stage or even later on. If you remember, the same step was taken by the news readers, national TV, Doordarshan News earlier. Now, definitely there are more techniques, but initial days, this was a technique which was used. Otherwise, it was difficult to remember all such news and everything. So that software is called as teleprompter. It is free, available on Play Store. You can download, you can upload your script, and then you can record. This is very important, would be helpful in gaining confidence and delivering, making videos. Correct? Because you need to make videos for parents, for teachers, for students, everything. So these all are freebies available. You can take a screenshot of this from where you can get free images, videos, music, fonts, Pinterest, color palettes. So everything you can get. And this is a list of such links from where you can get all such things. Done? Taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now comes what we discussed, a sales page. So what is a sales page? Now, before going for a sales page, there is again one question. Are you going for a recorded sessions or are you going for a live sessions? Are you going for one-on-one sessions or are you going for group sessions? So what do you think? For Vedic maths or mathematics, what is better, recorded or live? Yes, Avinash. For maths subject.
Live sessions will be better, sir, more because स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये ज्यादा बेनिफिशियरी होगा क्योंकि कोई डाउट्स होता है तो वो पूछ सकता है और हम वहां पर क्वेरी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं उसकी. So that's why.
Yes, Sansil. Anita.
Live, sir, live.
See, why live? Because mathematics cannot be crammed. Mathematics cannot be viewed like a movie until and unless you practice 4 questions or 10 questions, and you cannot remember mathematics. So maths needs practice. So always see, people who are ready with the live sessions, they gain most. One thing is this also. You might have seen people putting their videos on YouTube, putting in Udemy. How often do you purchase them? Because you know it is one-way process. Whatever query is coming in your mind, you cannot get it solved. So that is the reason why for mathematics or subject like us, Vedic mathematics, live are better. But still, you have your choice, you have an option, whatever you select. Second thing, one-on-one or group. Now, see, one-on-one. Now, definitely when you are spending so much time on one person, you'll be expecting more financials.
Yes, sir.
Now, after Corona, this is a big problem. Everybody is lacking of funds. So now you have to think on group classes also. Before Corona, I used to take only one-on-one class. People used to pay good amounts because they had sufficient funds. Now, after Corona, everybody expects how I can save something, right? So group sessions are going on. So that is why these workshops, these group classes are being conducted. So similarly, you have to be deciding factor for yourself. What is better? If you go for my advice, go for live and group classes, because one-on-one people will not be able to afford. Or if you are still going for that, you will not gain anything. See, if you're charging 1,000 rupees from one child and you're giving 15 classes a week, a month, how will you gain something? Until unless they are 6 in numbers, 7 in numbers. So then, right, so calculate this way and you will get the answer. Now comes sales page. Yes. Again, 2 things are there. Some people think open means free or free. Now free, I don't say free syllabus you have to say, but yes, there are certain sessions, there are webinars, there are workshops, there are meetings. You might have received so many workshops. This mathematics or Vedic math free available. How they are doing it? They are doing on WhatsApp groups, Instagram, Facebook, or applications like Udemy, even YouTube. So you can have free or open, I would say rather open sessions, because here you don't need passwords and anything. If you have seen, whenever you connect to Facebook or Instagram, you receive some notification, XYZ is live. So what is that? See, even Facebook is promoting you. It is telling you that somebody is live. Now, yes, it is not giving exact description why he is live. So that is that if you need that exact description, that a person can only go for it, and then they have to pay to the Facebook. Then Facebook will intimate all the friends or all those people who showed interest. Yes, that person is going live at this moment for this particular course. But still, a person is working. A Facebook means, let's say if a Facebook is a person that he's working for your, at least intimating some people. So all these media, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, application like Udemy, they are freely available, and open seminars, webinars, workshops, meetings, classes can be conducted here. YouTube also. LinkedIn can also be done, but LinkedIn is not free for all. They have their own procedure, they select. But I would advise right from today, go on Quora, start solving problems. See, that will take only 10 minutes a day. Keep 10 minutes for yourself. I will solve some problems for someone. And you see your growth. So without investment, you will start growing. Right. Coming to the paid seminars, paid sessions, webinars, classes, meetings like we are having now. So it was through Zoom. Another way is Google Meet, because here this meeting is restricted. It is not available to everyone. There is a password, there is a link. So such things can be conducted at Zoom, through Zoom or Google Meet. But so that's why if Zoom is paid, Google Meet is paid, how can we have free seminars? Correct? So we need to work on that point also. Because when you'll offer everything free, you'll not get those people who are really in need of your product. You'll get every kind of person who just saw, oh, I just saw it. I just clicked it. And then you feel very bad. You clicked on it, I responded you back, and then you're saying, I just clicked it. I happened to click on it. I am not interested actually, but I just clicked on it. So it's better you go for a paid thing where person say, yes, I'm interested, but yes, I may have this problem. So that is one thing. And second thing, it's not that today somebody had a word with you and he's gone. Sometimes you get admissions after years also. I remember somebody didn't take my classes 2 years back. Now they are taking. Oh, now I am ready. It's okay. So you have to have your presence. Now, physically, it is very difficult. If you open a physical office, so the day one expenses will start. Electricity, washing, this, that. But here, by spending 80 to 100 rupees a day also, it can go on. People are watching you. Maybe they are not reaching up to you, but they are watching. Believe me, this thing. And for that, you need to check your insights. Insights will show how many people watched but didn't respond to you. So there are certain such things. Now, apart from Zoom and Google Meet, there are some LMS, learning management systems. Now, these are automated systems. For example, yesterday I gave you video that was uploaded in YouTube. And if you see my YouTube channel, only videos regarding Ask Me Now show and such workshops are available. Other no class is available, though I am taking 2 or 3 classes a day, because that has been restricted for others. That is in a private mode. The link whom I share, they can only view. So same, there are softwares where you can have logins. So that they are known as LMS, learning management system. You can have all your content loaded over there, and the videos of your classes will also be there. But yes, they are a costly affair. They charge you around 20 to 30K per year. So for students also, it would be tough. So the easy approach initially, when you don't want to invest much, pay on Zoom, because otherwise Zooms are only 40-minute class. So pay Zoom and then use YouTube for uploading. That is free. But make it invisible to all clients. Only your paid clients can be able to view it. Clear? Any question you have now? One more. So yes, I was discussing about payment gateways. InstaMozo, Razorpay. These are payment gateways which you can register within 2 minutes and you get approval within 48 hours. So what is the benefit? Suppose you have to take 100 rupees from me. You'll create a message there for 100 rupees in that, and you'll share me. Once I click that, a payment gateway will open. You have to take 200 rupees from me. You'll create a SMS of 200 rupees. So very easy to operate. It's not that you have one fixed fees or anything. Whatever you have to charge from anyone. And now they all have transaction fee. 3% transaction fee is being charged with in such payment gateways. So that depends. You can give that privilege to your client or yourself. That means, suppose you are collecting 100 rupees. So 13 rupees you are paying or your client has to pay. If your client has to pay, he will be paying 113. If you have to pay, then you will be receiving 87 rupees. Got it? And similarly international payments. But in this Razorpay and Instamozo, you can receive payments through any debit card, any credit card, any way. Right. One more way for accepting international payments is PayPal. This is a website, paypal.com, where you need to register yourself, put your credit card or debit card so that where you'll receive the payments. And it uses email ID as your identification. So you can receive in this also, again, 3% of transaction fee is charged. But here it is charged from the client who is paying. And apps wallets you already know, GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, all such. So this should be available with you. Today, nobody is going to come and give you cash. And you cannot give an excuse, I don't have this much. So you should be ready with everything. Otherwise, there are sometime case that a person wants to pay through credit card because he'll be getting a credit of 40 days. And you say, no, I cannot take accept from credit card because I don't have a payment gateway. So that client is gone. Right, because credit card can be worked only on a swipe machine or through payment gateways. So all such things you have to work on, but very easy now, right? So yes, we'll be starting with cubes. Any question on this part first? Yes, Avinash.
Sir, if I'm decided to take your classes and to start to launch a Vedic mathematics course for my students, then you will help me for these all. What can I call this, digital marketing?
Yes, that would be coming up when I'll discuss on that.
Okay, okay,
This
sir.
is that would be coming up in that.
Okay.
But even if you leave that course, today, whatever topic you got it, you can launch a workshop, whatever you want, I can support with it.
Okay.
Whatever, yes, if you want some schools to be physically addressed,
Yes.
get 5 schools ready. You can call me, not an issue, but yes, time schedules need to be worked out.
Okay.
So that does not matter, right? So, like I already am booked for first, second, third in Kurukshetra, third evening, fourth and fifth for Canada, Toronto. So you need to work. Ask me beforehand. Yes, I am gathering the schools. I'll give you. We'll discuss on this. What benefits I'll give you. This is not I'm telling you about the benefits from me. This is what you need to have.
Okay. Okay.
Correct.
Yes. Yes.
Anything regarding this?
Okay. All okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. So, do you want break for 1 minute or we'll start? Yes. Start. Okay.
Okay. We will start, sir. No need to break.
Now we'll be starting with the topic called cube. What is a cube of a number? Yes,
A number
Anita.
multiplied, a same number multiplied 3 times.
Multiplied 3 times, correct? So if n is a number, again, cube means n into n into n. Similarly, 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Right? So we need to understand, we need to remember, we need to cram, you can say, the first 10 digits. That is very important. So please write down this. I'll be back within 1. Right? Cube of first 10 numbers, please write down. Yes, written. Done. Okay. So now we'll do a bit. Again, we'll start with of 2-digit numbers. This is our target. I'll give you very easy approach. To make it more easy, more interesting, I'm dividing these numbers. See, 2-digit means right from 10 to 99. 10, we already know 1000, so 11 to 99 we'll be working on. I'm going to divide these numbers into 4 categories. Group 1, numbers starting with 1. So what are those numbers? 11, 12, 13, 19. Correct? Group 2, numbers ending with 1. Yes, 11, 21, 31, 91. Senthil, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing?
I'm writing. I'm writing, sir.
Okay. Group 3, numbers having both digits same. What are those numbers? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 99. Clear?
Clear,
Okay.
sir.
And the last group 4 is all the leftover numbers. So leftover numbers would be like 23, 24, 98. Correct. It would start from 23 because first 10 already done. 11, 12 covered in group 1. 21 covered. 22 covered. So 23 to onwards. Have you written this?
Write down, sir.
Okay, write down first and then I'll start. Yes, Avinash, written. Okay. So first I'll take numbers starting with 1. And the first example, let's say number 12. So how do you find cube of 12? Yes, Anita.
3 times multiply 12, sir.
So 12
12,
into 12
12
is
into 12.
so 144 and then again 12. Correct?
12. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because there is no such way in maths with which we can calculate all together. Though we have in Vedic maths, that is a multiplication topic, but right now I'll explain this only. First step, create 4 spaces. Second step, Write 1 at the first space, 2 at the left. Any difficulty in this? My question is, why did I create 4 spaces? Why not 5? Why not 3? Yes, Avinash.
You know the highest cube, 3-digit cube number is the 9, the cube of 9. That is 729. And from if we find out cube of 2-digit number, let's say it's the cube is 4-digit number. So I don't know the last number, which is the last number to.
Why? Last 2 digit is 99. Why?
नहीं, नो सर,
Answer don't know.
मुझे वो नंबर पता नहीं है जिसका क्यूब को 5 डिजिट वाला है.
कोई बात.
ओके, हाँ.
Yes, Senthil. Yes.
I don't know, sir.
See, for every answer for every question you say, I don't know, sir. How you are running coaching institute then? Don't say like this, yeah. Why are you hiding your knowledge? Share with us also.
Not so clear. That's why I am.
You don't want to share your trade secrets?
No, sir. No, sir. My field, I am also Saga. This is your field, sir.
You don't want to share your trade secret. That is what I think.
No, sir. No.
Yes, Ashita, Harishankar, Karthik.
मे बी है ना, इसका जो क्यूब होगा वो 4 डिजिट्स तक ही होगा. 2 डिजिट्स का क्यूब 4 डिजिट्स तक ही होगा. दैट्स व्हाई.
नहीं, देखो बड़े का तो आप सोच ही नहीं सकते ना. 99 का तो 4 हो ही नहीं सकता. अगर आपको याद हो 99 का स्क्वायर ही 9801 है, तो 9801 into 99 कभी भी 4 डिजिट आएगा ही नहीं. करेक्ट. बट यस, मिनिमम तो हमें पता ही है ना कि 10 का जो क्यूब था वो 1000 है, मतलब वो तो 4 डिजिट है ही है ना. तो 4 से कम तो कर ही नहीं सकते. और रही 4 से ज्यादा हो जाएगा तो ऑलवेज फर्स्ट डिजिट जो हमारा लेफ्ट मोस्ट होता है उसमें हम कितने भी अकोमोडेट कर सकते हैं. करेक्ट. So this is a very common question which students will ask you. Okay. Third step. 1, 2 हो गया. इसके बाद ये जरूरी नहीं आपको इतने स्टेप्स लिखने की जरूरत है, बट ये इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए शुरू में आपको क्लास में थोड़ा उनको समझाना है. Whatever is the number in between, find square of this. What is square of 2? 4. Yes, Senthil.
Pardon, sir.
What is square of 2?
4.
And what is cube of 2?
8.
So I'll write square on the 3rd position and cube at the 4th position. So I get at 4th step, I get this number 1, 2, 4, 8. Now what I have to do, I will just take the middle terms. Double it. Double means, what is double of 2? 4. What is double of 4?
48. 2, 4. 8.
And add it. So adding will give me 8, 12, 6, 1. So that is 1, 7, 2, 8. See, all big calculations gone. You don't need to even write first 3 steps. But थोड़ा सा interest create करने के लिए बच्चों को first write the first number, then the second number, then square of the second number and cube of the second number. That's all. और फिर double करके add कर दो. Did you understand? एक और लेते हैं नहीं तो एग्जांपल. समझ आया कि नहीं? Yes, Senthil, did you understand? Avinash?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay, we'll have one more. Let's say, now I'll not go for more steps. Let's say we have to find for 13. So first is 1, second is 3, third is, what is square of 3? 9. What is cube of 3? 27. I have to double this. 6, 18. Just add it. 27, 27, 9, 1. So what will happen? 7, 9, 1. Now is it perfect? Correct? Yes, Senthil, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
The voice is too low. What happened? Where is the confidence gone?
Sir, the third step I can't understand, sir.
Huh?
Third step.
Third step. Third step was, okay, give me a number. I'll give you. Let's say I'll give you a big number now. 18. First step is writing this. At first position, write first digit. Second position, write second digit. Up till here, it's okay. Senthil,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
here write the square. What is square of 8?
So 64.
Here write the cube of second number. See, we are starting with 1. See,
512.
I am starting with 1. So 1 you don't have to touch. 512. Correct? This is your
Okay,
third
sir.
step complete. Now, these two middle terms, double it. Double means 8 to the 16, 64 to the 128. This is clear? Doubling.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Now add it. 512, 192, 24, and 1. So only one digit will remain here. 51 goes here. So it becomes 3. So 24 will go further. So that will become 48. 4 will go further. 5. Now clear? Is it clear now?
Sir, last on the 5832 repeat explain.
Balancing. Yes. Yesterday I taught you balancing. If it is 512, so only 2 will remain here. Huh? Only one digit you can take. 51 you are forwarding. This 51 you are forwarding here.
253. 53 plus 5.
That's why I said no, homework has to be done. Now you left the homework. So now balancing is gone. And I told you everything will depend on this balancing. Today also balanced when we did questions on scaring. Balancing is the important thing in Vedic maths. Clear? Yes, Avinash, Ashita,
Yes, sir.
Anita. Okay, if yes, please do this 14 cube.
One 11744.
11744. Yes, Avinash, what is your answer?
Yes, sir. 11744.
Same thing.
Sir, and the forwarding I can't understand.
Because you are not doing homework, so I cannot help you. Both are wrong. What happened? 14 cube. What is 1? 4. What is square of 4?
16.
What is cube of 4?
64.
Doubling this, 32,
2 and
8,
8. Yes.
64.
48, 12, 1.
So
Sir, this
This
place
will-
I will doubt.
this because you can only have single digit here, na? So single digit here, 6 moves further. So what is 48 plus 6? 54. So only 4 will come here. 5 moves further. So 12 plus 5 is 17. So 7 goes here. 1 moves further. So 2, 7, 4, 4.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I got
Yes,
it, sir. I
Ashita,
got it.
Avinash, what happened?
2744, right sir?
पहले गलती कहाँ हुई थी?
सर वो जो बैलेंसिंग करना था 12 एंड 5 उसके आगे थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गया सर।
समझ आ गया? Yes, Ashita, clear now?
Yes, sir.
चलो एक कर लेते
I
हैं।
got it.
Give us one more number, sir. We will do.
15 cube. Definitely, see, from in homework you have to do from 11 to 19. All. So then, see, nobody will be able to challenge you.
And 1, 5. 3375. 3375.
Very good. Now you got it. You understood balancing. This means. Ashita, did you get 3375?
Yes, sir. 3375.
Yes, Anita. What happened? Okay. Now let's move to reverse of this. Now, if second was ending with 1, can you give me how it can be done? Avinash, any hint? Santel. Ashita, कुछ सोचो. Aarti, Anita, Harishankar. Okay, I'll tell you. वही 4 हैं, बट अब उल्टी तरफ से चलोगे. 1 यहाँ, 2 यहाँ. पहले आप 12 के केस में you were doing 1, 2. Here 21 के केस में उल्टा 1, 2. What is square of 2? 4. What is cube of 4? 8. और फिर 8, 4. क्या हुआ? 9, 2, 6, 1. Otherwise, you talk to any student. This is a live example. I was teaching 8th class student, and the next day the teacher asked 21 cube, and they took 3 minutes in that, and she was able to solve this within seconds. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
it tough, Senthil?
No, sir. No, sir. Easy, sir.
Yes, Avinash.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. It's simple, sir.
Ashita,
Simple.
simple. So do 31 cube.
31. Okay. 1, 3, 9, 27, 6, 18, 1, 7.
So balancing need to understand, and if balancing is clear, 50% of the Vedic maths is done.
29761.
2, 9,
761.
7, 9, 1. Check.
No, 29761.
29791.
7, 9, 1, Ashita. See, 1, 3, 3 का डबल 6
3
हुआ,
का
तो
डबल 6 होगा ना सर.
तो उसको ऐड भी तो करना है ना. 9 नहीं हो जाएगा. 3 + 6.
Right.
तो यहाँ भी तो हमने 2, 4 और डबल कर दिया, ऐड किया ना. ऐड भी तो
हाँ
करना
जी,
है
हाँ
उसको.
जी, बिल्कुल.
ये कितना इजी सिस्टम है, और हम लगे रहते हैं 31 into 31 into. इसीलिए गेम की तरह रखा था, so that you understand once. Okay, लास्ट एक कर लीजिए. 71 क्यूब.
One.
357911.
Very good.
357911.
Very good. So how easy it is?
Yes.
कोई बड़ी calculations नहीं है, कोई confusing methods नहीं है. It's very simple. चलो. So we'll discuss now. Two methods are left. One, when both the numbers are same. Now, both the numbers same means 11, 22, 33. That will do, and one leftover numbers. So before that, I'll tell you what is the syllabus and what you were asking, what all we'll be getting in the course. So I'm just sharing you that first, and then we'll go to the last content and finish. So you might have read the ad, become a trainer in 6 weeks. Yes, 6 week means I'll tell you how it works. The total course is around 65 to 70 hours, depending on the batch, how much, because you have examples, some more questions, 1 or 2 hours, it takes more. Now this goes, two things are there. One is weekdays, one is weekend. Weekdays means Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Weekend means only Saturdays and Sunday. Timings are 9 to 11 p.m., 6 to 8 p.m., and morning 9:30 or 9 to 11:30. Now, right now, 9:30 to 11:30 is working a.m. Now, depending on this, so if you are investing 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, that means 6 hours in 1 week. So this batch will take around 12 weeks to complete. And this batch will take around, this batch will take around 17 to 18 weeks to complete. Now, earlier it was being offered in 6 weeks. How? See, that time we were giving 3 hours classes, but now nobody can sit for 3 hours. All are busy now. Before Corona, at the time of Corona, I was giving 3 hour class. You can sit like you're sitting today also. So if it is 3 hours class, then it will complete in 6 to 7 weeks only. But now, as for now, we are not taking. Now, next batch, coming batch, because all the batches are full. So we are going to start weekdays batch now, 6 to 8 p.m. That will be starting in Jan first week. Correct? Now, so that was one thing. कैसे number of hours depend करते हैं and how we take it. What are the contents? 6 steps would be taught to you. The first step is basic introduction to Vedic mathematics, the terminology used, complement, digital root. Now, digital root is very important. अगर बच्चों को कराना है, confidence लाना है उनमें. So this is a trick, this is a technique to find the answers, to verify your answers. Very important. Vinculum number, एक number होता है imaginary in Vedic maths, which we call it as a vinculum number. जिसमें we don't have digits above 5. Means I convert 6, 7, 8, 9 to 1 to 5 only. Yesterday we did the topic 8th, writing multiplication tables, and 8th and 9th we did. Right? इसके अलावा इसमें addition, subtraction, and simultaneous addition and subtraction. Now, in maths, in your school mathematics, you cannot simultaneously add and subtract. Simultaneously, I'm using the word. हाँ, आप अलग-अलग segregate करके जरूर कर सकते हैं, but इकट्ठा नहीं कर सकते. There is no procedure. That is possible in Vedic maths. Second book will deal entirely with multiplication. One type of multiplication is called Nikhilam Sutra, जिससे आपकी mental multiplication very easy हो जाएगी. But this is general technique. जब number base के नजदीक होगा, जैसे 999 into 999 is 998001, 99 or 98 into 98 is 9604. So बेस के नजदीक होगा तो यू विल बी स्पीकिंग इन सच फास्ट, बट मोर बेस से होगा दूर तो थोड़ा सेकंड्स ज्यादा लगेंगे, बट यस इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टेक्निक अगेन ब्रेन के लिए, एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन वुड बी वेरी इजी. सो this is known as Nikhilam Sutra multiplication, and this is covered in second step. Then multiplying 3 digits same time. जैसे अभी मैंने एक example दे रहा था, that we are doing cubing. If their numbers are different, if it is 11, 12, 13, then that is not possible in your maths. That is not even in the book. क्योंकि book जब लिखी थी तो वो content नहीं लिखा था. So multiplying 3 digits together, multiplying 4 digits together, multiplying 5 digits together, this you can do. 3 is maybe it is available on Google, 4 or 5 to hai hi nahi. Third book will be giving you another concept of multiplication, like Avinash was saying, any number if comes. Yes, any different number if comes, that is known as Urdhva Sutra Tribhang method, या crisscross technique. So we can solve with the help of that. So Nikhilam and Urdhva Sutra are two general techniques. See, मैं Vedic maths में बार बार बोलता हूँ, it gives you ability to think. Now what does that mean? That means you decide yourself कि what should I apply. Like scaring में हमने देखा कि 26 can be done with first concept also, but with the second concept it was much easier. 99 was much easier. So that you choose कि yes, universal would be effective for this. So this is known as ability of thinking. After this, we'll go for special tricks. For example, जैसे 11 का किया, 11 is a special concept. Until you were asking, so sixth concept is multiplier is 9, 99, 999. This way. Multiplying with 101, 1001, 12 to 19, everything is possible in Vedic maths. The only thing, I cannot teach everything in a single day because I consider you all are freshers. So certain topics may you need some base. You need something to learn first, right? Then very important, algebra. So algebraic multiplication is, otherwise it takes 4 to 5 steps and students generally make silly mistakes, but here it is a single line answer, so no mistakes at all. So we do algebra also right in the step 3. Step 4, all from 9, last from 10. I told you that's a wonderful content of subtraction and money transactions in the world. Concept of doubling, halving, mind brain, multiplying with 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and similarly dividing by 2, 4, 16, 32. Then we start with scaring. So today we did 6th topic, method for finding squares of 2 digit. Then we did 8th topic, finding square ending with starting with 5. Similarly, we have one technique ending with 5. Starting with 5. We have ending with 6, ending with 25, ending with 4. So such calculations will become mentally strong. You'll become more mentally stronger. जैसे आज 5 वाली concept में, once you understood, it took only 2 seconds. Similarly, अगर 4 और 6 का भी आप understand कर जाओ, 25 का, it will take 2 seconds. So how with ease you'll be able to find. Again, algebraic scaring. Cubes में, now we are doing the first topic, cubes of 2 digit number using Anurupena Sutra. ये एक सूत्रा है, उसकी simplify कर रखा है. वो कैसे obtain हुआ वो नहीं अभी आपको कराया. But we are doing that as a trick, right? So this contains all squares and cubes. Step 5 will start with the division process. I told you dividing by 5, 25, 125, 8. So it is actually multiplying with 2, 4, 8. Then you have Vedic divisions, Nikhilam Sutra, Parvartya Sutra, Anurupen Sutra, Vinkulam division, direct flag method, and Kadikena Purvena, 1 by 19. Suppose आपने निकालना है. Now 1 by 19 has 18 digits. You don't know. But it is as simple in Vedic maths. HCF, LCM, Kevalam Saptam Gunyat. That is, for those who are in chemistry or physics, pi की value 22 by 7 होती है, but 7 will always give the same result. Fractions. You are asking about fractions, Avinash, so that is also there in the syllabus, but fractions or LCM, HCF, they are applications. Once
Yes,
you
sir.
are clear with the arithmetic part, these are all applications. And the last step would be dealing with square roots, cube roots. But the updated syllabuses, I have already shared you. That is in dryogeshchandna.in. That is my website /books. So first, there are 6 step books. Then there are books for 3rd class, 4th class, 5th class. Then school. So school students are also taking. Avinash, I'll tell you, one school took around 20 sets of books also in your Pune. So I'll give you the school name so that you can follow up and then you can start training them. So there are schools who are taking books from us in India. So we'll be doing divisibility, calendar, quadratic equations, polynomial equations, all this in step 6. Correct? So this is the syllabus we'll be covering. Now, what is the fees? Yes, the fees is for this, it is 14,999. And what you are getting in this? This was your question. So all these books would be free, 1320. Certification, international, you can train anywhere in the world. But certification you will not get just by attending the class. I'm giving a very clear picture. You will have to appear for the test, 1 hour online test. And then only you'll be issued certificate. Even if you find, no, I'm not ready for the test, you can appear again. You can appear any number of times, but for 1 hour, you have to be attending. All the support letters, templates, which I generally give in the schools, institutions, all free to you. If you want any design, whatever is available on my page, you can ask my team. They'll just change my name to your name and they'll give you. So everything, every design is free for you, correct? So this is what you get after this workshop. The fees would be 14,999. 1 set of books you get free. In case you are interested, you let me know. I take only 6, like in this workshop, I took only 10 students. If you remember, yesterday only 10 attended. Today, maybe they are not here, like Nepal persons are not there. But not more than 10 we take. And similarly in class, I'll take only 6 teachers at one time. So 6 batches continuously I'm running in a day, in 1 week, and only 6 students in 1 batch, not even 7th. The 7th might be from the other batch. Now, if you miss something in this workshop, you can again join next time. You know, you are not supposed to pay any fees again. Similarly, in class, any number of times you can attend the workshops. Similarly, if you register for one-time class, okay, I'll do this course. Tomorrow, after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, or if you miss any part of it, you can come in the second group, other group going on, and you can join that class also. So nothing like that. So that would be the 7th student or the 8th student. So this way, you get every opportunity to get your questions solved. And the more you'll ask, the more you will learn. Remember, I'm not here to make you learners. If you are thinking you'll just become learners, then leave it. If you want to become a trainer, then walk in. Correct? So this was regarding all this. And now I'll tell you, so we can have a personal talk on that, whosoever would be interested. But before that, I'll give you what is left now. Yes. Yes, Avinash, now you have any question? If it is regarding classes, we'll have a personal discussion, no issues. Here, let's complete the syllabus topic first. So now the third type is when you have same numbers, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 8, 8, like this. Yes, any hint how we can solve this, Ashita, Senthil? Anything you can guess? Any guesses? Chalo, I'll give you the. I can get you exhausted now. 3 hours is any number you take. Suppose you are taking 2. You'll find the cube of one number. So what is cube of 2?
8.
So we'll write 8 at every position. That's all. Then double. Finish. 8, 24, 24, 8. So that is 8, 4, 6, 10. Is it easy? Suppose double 7. So 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 3, 3, 1. Finish. Yes, Avinash. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Pencil.
Okay, sir.
Harshita,
Yes, sir.
clear? Anita, Harishankar,
Yes, sir.
clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, if it is done, do one triple, 33 cube.
Three five 35937.
Good. Yes, Anita, did you get the answer? 27, 27, 27, 27,
Yes, sir.
54, 54, and then balance it. Clear? So one more, 66 cube you do.
Two 87496.
Very good. So easy, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So last concept. Now here you need to remember your formula. What is A plus B cube? Avinash,
A cube.
Yes, sir.
A cube, then
A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube plus 2
C cube. A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus AB square.
correct?
Yes, sir.
squared.
So what we'll use is, in Vedic maths, how we will use is A cube balance A square B square A, and B cube. And if you remember, at the last step, we always add twice of it. Now you got it. This is how you get the formula. but with the help of balancing lines, same like what you did in scaring. So let's say my question is 20, correct? Now A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. So what is A cube? 8. What is B cube? 27. What is A square B? Yes, Senthil, what is A square B?
12. नहीं नहीं 2 2 नहीं
Yes, ठीक है. A square 4 हुआ, B 3 हुआ तो 12. What is B square A? 18.
18.
अगर हम सबकी वैल्यूज पुट करें, हम इसी में करेंगे, so that we remain the same method. A cube means 8, A square B means 12, B square A means 18, and this again 27. अब क्या करते हैं हम? We double these terms, so 24, 36. So it becomes 27, it becomes 54, it becomes 36, it becomes 8. So 7, 6, 1, 12. This is my answer. You can write down. If you have any questions, please ask. Done? Now see, all the first 3 types were also possible here. I started with 12. What formula I used? One. Okay, this is the question. If I want to use the formula, A cube means 1, A square B means 2, B square A means 4 and 8. And how I define? You first write first digit, second digit, then square of this and then cube. So that was a game like, but ultimately it's coming the same. 21. What I said, start from this side. Now let's start from here also. 2 cube means 8. 2 square A means 4, 2, 1. So we started from this side just to create interest. 22. Now if A is also same, B also same, so A cube is also 8. A square B is also 8. B square A is also 8. And B cube is also 8. And then followed by the fourth sub. So with the formula, you can do all the everything. But point is, if you're just giving the formula, what is the use if question is coming 22 and you are applying formula? Just write 8, 8, 8, 8. Or if it is 21, 31, if such numbers are coming, why to go for the formula? And there should be some interest also in the subject. So you need to work on this point. How students are going to benefit and how they are going to find it interesting. Okay. Yes, now any question? Yes, Senthil? Hari Shankar?
Okay, sir, I understand, sir.
Sure, good. Yes, Ashita? Any questions you have?
No, sir, clear.
Aarti? Avinash?
Yes, sir, got
Harichandra?
it, sir.
Yes, Anita?
No questions, sir.
Okay, so I'll be sharing you the homework again.
Yes.
And if case you have not filled the form, please fill now, because certificate I cannot, or share me your name so that certificates can be issued, right? For the workshop. Right. So thank you very much. And
Thank you, sir. Thank
okay.
you very much.
Thank you, sir. Very useful, sir.